Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to install WordPress on Cpanel. And in this example I will be using Siteground as my hosting account, which has been great to me and I am using it for almost 2 years. So if you want to check Siteground, link in the description below, and I will also include the pricing page so you can check which plan suits for you. I'm using the startup plan and I am now on my account. The first thing we need to do is to create a subdomain. So I'm gonna go to my accounts, go to Cpanel, and then click proceed. Under the domain section, click subdomains, then you can type in your desired name here. So I'm gonna put test, and then you can type in the document root. This is the folder where the WordPress files will be saved, and I am going to put it outside the public_HTML because I have a WordPress website inside and I just want my files to be separated. So click create. As you can see here, the subdomain has been created. You can check the test folder by going to the file section, then click file manager, then click go. So here it is. So that's the first step. Let's go create the database. To create the database, find the databases section and then click on MySQL databases. I'm going to name it test. Then click create. So here is the database. Then what I will do is to save these details somewhere so you can find it easily. We need this information later when we install the WordPress. Then I will create a user. I'll name this test as well. Then I will use the password generator. Tick this checkbox and create the user. Then I'll save these details. Okay, done. Then one more thing I need to do is to add the user to that database, and I'm going to do it here. I will choose the test user and the test database, then click add. Then here tick all privileges and then click make changes, and that's it. So to check it, let's check the phpMyAdmin. So here's the database. It has been created, and now we're ready to install WordPress. So what I will do is I will download the WordPress on their site. So here's the file. Now let's go to the test folder on Cpanel. Inside the test folder, click the upload icon at the top. Then choose the WordPress file that we downloaded, and then it will upload the file. So here is the file. I will extract the file and make sure the files are inside the test folder that we created. And then I will just delete the zip file. So what I will do is move these files inside the test folder. So I will select all and then make sure it's located inside the test folder. So again, select all, then right click and then click move. To move this, let's just delete the WordPress folder. So I will just delete the WordPress folder. So now we can start to install WordPress from the domain name that we created. So the link is test.mail-7.com. So there we go. I will choose English, click continue, and then go. Then from here we will use the details that we saved from the notepad. So I'll copy the database and the username, and finally the password. Let's keep the localhost in WordPress, click submit, and then run the installation. Then here type in the site name. I'll just name it test website. Then the username, I will put mail, and the password. And then make sure to tick the confirm use of weak password, and then type in your email address. And then here I'll just tick this discard search engine because this is just a test. So install WordPress, and then now we can log into our WordPress website. And one more thing I need to make sure is to update the permalinks here on the settings. Make sure it's a post name and then click save. So that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. To find more about WordPress and other cool stuff on web development or web design, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.